Okay, so what I'm talking about here today are these QuickFitting push to connect fittings. They're brass, solid brass. They're very nice. As you know, there's a company that's been out there for several years now that kind of pioneered this, and they're still the bomb. The best ones out there. However, these are, to me, it looks like they reverse engineered them and they're identical to those, and they cost less money. So I'm not really a brand loyal guy. If I find something that works, I use it exclusively until I find something better. These I don't believe are better, but they're better in the fact that they're less expensive. So anyway, to put these together, this is just an old piece of pipe that I got out of a house at some point. Might be my own. What you do is you got to cut it off nice and 90-degree square. Then you have to clean it up. This one was mangled because it was an old one, and so I sanded it down pretty good. If it's new copper, all you got to do is get the burrs off where you cut it off. And if you use the round kind of pipe cutter, you're not going to get that many anyway. So just kind of clean it up a little bit. If it's old and crusty like this one, I like to clean it up with some sandpaper. Like that. Let's see. So you cut it square, clean it, and you can use this on PVC or copper, or it lists several different things here. You can use basically any 1/2-inch pipe. Next one is mark it, and they've got the links that you need to mark it to when you, depending on the size of pipe you have. This is 1/2-inch pipe and it says mark it an inch. So here's what that does. I kind of wondered about it for a while, because when you're sitting here and you're playing with it and you push it on there and you use the little remover to take it off, it's super easy right here. When you're in especially an older house and you're fighting for space and all kinds of stuff like that, you need to know when that thing is all the way in so that it won't leak. And that's what the mark is for. If you push it into that mark, you know that it's in all the way and it's not going to leak. So for 1/2-inch, we're going to mark one inch. Thought I had all this stuff ready. 1 inch. Now, also, it seems like a lot of pain in the rear for something that's supposed to be real easy. You'll get to the point, as every plumber or every person knows who's in the business, you know what an inch is in your head. And so you just want to put a little mark on there, so when this is all sliding on here, you can't tell how far in it is unless you have some kind of indicator there. So then you mark it, and then you just put it on. It's that simple. You just insert it right here, push, and it goes up to that mark. When you get it to that mark, you can't see it now because it's inside there a little bit. This is watertight right here. This will not leak.